Hey guys, Steve here at VL Performance. Just wanted to give you a reminder, we do have the ability to do injector flow testing, servicing, cleaning, all that stuff with our injector cleaner machine. Pretty much any kind of injectors, whether you want them done for performance reasons, if you want them done for maintenance reasons, we can run through, flow test them, clean them, get all the processes taken care of. We'll give you a quick run through here on what we do, and yeah. These injectors are actually out of a junkyard LS53. So we're just going to run them through, make sure everything's all good to go. First thing we start with is a leak test, make sure that they're not leaking fuel past where they're not supposed to be. So we'll get her fired up. Alright guys, we're going to run these through a dynamic and a static flow test to see how they perform, so let's see how they do. Alright guys, well we got these things ran through and ran through the initial flow test. Now we're going to send them through a cleaning cycle in the ultrasonic cleaner, and then we can resume our testing. Alright, well after the ultrasonic cleaning process, we run all the injectors back through the same cycle. We do that to verify that the cleaning process in fact cleaned them. Oftentimes we'll better the flow, even the injectors up a little bit to make sure that everything's running as well as it can be. Alright guys, thanks for watching our injector cleaning process here. If you have any questions about the process, drop us a comment below, or give us a call, shoot us an email to schedule an appointment and get your injectors taken care of.